Well, in this video, we got our hands on the Oneplus 6T, launched on October 29 at New York City. And we are going to talk about its features and our experience at the Oneplus pop-up event. So if you guys like this video, leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and without any further introduction, let's get started. So talking about the features of the Oneplus 6T, Oneplus 6T is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 with 2.8 GHz octa-core processor. It comes with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus optic AMOLED display with 2340 x 180p resolution. It comes with version 9.0 Pi operating system designed with Oxygen OS. Now talking about the camera setup of the Oneplus 6T, it comes with a 20 plus 16 megapixel dual rear camera setup with slow motion intelligent scene recognition, nightscape mode and studio lighting. The front camera is also a 16 megapixel shooter with perfect portrait shots with clear edge detection. So this is the 6GB 128GB variant and 13.61GB is already used on this device. It is running on Oxygen OS version 9.0, same as the OnePlus 6. The security patch level is of September 2018, but the update has been released by OnePlus with the latest security patch level. So the device has two variants. One is the mirror black variant, that is the fingerprint magnet, and the other one is the midnight black variant. Unlike the OnePlus 6, the notch design changed completely, and the 6T is now having a water droplet notch. Also, the notch calibration is really good and it gets hide when we open other applications. Unlike the OnePlus 6, the 6T is now having a in-display fingerprint scanner, but the in-display fingerprint reader is not very responsive and is very slow, and it is need to be calibrated, and I hope that OnePlus will take necessary actions regarding their fingerprint reader. Coming to the RAM management of the OnePlus 6T, let's check it out by opening some random applications. The OnePlus 6T comes with two storage variants. One is the 6GB 128GB and 8GB 128GB variant. The 8GB 256GB variant is currently unavailable on Amazon, but it will be available soon. So the RAM management is really good and it goes with the perfect tagline, the speed you need. So this was our hands-on of the 6T at the pop-up event. So if you have any questions regarding the 6T, you can ask in the comment section below. Well, if you guys like this video, leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.